Okay, good morning, class 11th. In previous lecture, I had told you about centripetal and centrifugal force. In that, I had given you example related to sports and games, athletics and hammer throw, javelin throw related to centrifugal force. Now, in coming heading, introduction to bouncy force. What is bouncy force? Biomechanics in sports is concerned about two components where sports activities are largely conducted. We know what is biomechanics, and in every field of sports and games, biomechanics is related, or with the help of biomechanics, we increase our ability of skills. Two components where sports activities are largely conducted: the air and water. In air, we can conduct sports activity, and in water also. Swimming is a water activity, and air activities related to aerodynamic activities. The field activities are performed in the air, medium and aquatic activities are done in water. It is evident that in the water sports like swimming, fluid forces are enormous and they play an important role in achieving success. For example, cycling, ball pitching, discus throwing, hand gliding are dependent on resistance caused by air while performing the sports. While cycling, you had feel the resistance of air, the pressure of air. That's why while cycling, we need a special kind of sportswear that helps in reducing the resistance of air. For examples, there are various examples. A glass filled with water when held in air feels heavy. The same glass when placed in a bucket filled with water feels light. What is the cause? You can do a little experiment in your home also. Since the buoyant force is helping us to hold the glass, which act upward. Buoyant force is also exerted by the air, but it is less when compared to the force exerted by the liquid that is inside the bucket. Because in both there is a role of gravity. Gravity plays an important role. It is often convenient to express the density of substance in comparison with of water. The relevant density of substance is ratio of its density that to the water, and we have a formula: relative density of a substance, relative density of a water upon density of a substance. As we came to know about an example of a glass of water. We can place it here in this formula and calculate. Since the relative density is a ratio similar quantities, it has no unit. In swimming, buoyancy is an upward force that acts on a swimmer within the water. So we came to know about a force that is called buoyancy, and that is related to air and water. Okay, we came to know about a bouncy force. This is the last heading of your chapter, and your chapter is finished. Now we came to question and answers, and in coming first term exams you will have MCQs as you have already have and practiced in unit first. But now I want to explain you something regarding the questions. Question related to marks. Suppose in short answer question, a question is given to you, that is, discuss the type of equilibrium. In this question, you have to remember this question carry 3 marks, and the need of a words are 80 to 90 words. But I had noticed that a child is writing only 2 or 3 lines. It may be correct, but there is a demand of question that you are not fulfilling according to the need of question. And this time I will give you value based question. What is value based question? It is a type of a paragraph, as you had seen in English, but that is directly related to physical education, and in that there are some questions. It may be related to yoga or biomechanics or gravity, and I had already given you value based question, but many of you are unable to do it. So always remember and watch this video. Value based questions are very important. Even in your class 12th, value based questions are there, and it carries 3 marks because you have 3 questions. If you can see at the end of this chapter, there are question and answer. In short answer question, value based question is there. Question number 11. Sunny was a good shot putter, and at the end, in this way, biomechanics helped him a lot. There are 3 questions. What qualities did Sunny possesses? This is a type of questions. You have to remember and you have to do in your notebooks. Now third is long answer question. And in long answer question, suppose I give you one example. What is biomechanics? Is a first part. Explain the importance of biomechanics in physical education and sports is the second half of question. Here child write only about what is biomechanics, and rest of the portion he leaves. Then he is getting only 2.5 marks. And the words, that is 150 to 200 words. So my meaning is that While writing or attempting this question, you should write first half, what is biomechanics, and second half also. Explain the importance of biomechanics in physical education and sports. This is the second half of question. Then it make a perfect and complete answer and write according to the need of the demand of question. It may carry 3 or 5 marks, or MCQs, one word answer is there.